Okay. So the one is. And people check once. Is it clear, my voice? Online students. Use your chat box, guys. Use chat box and give response. Audio was clear or not? All of you. The remaining people, check out. Online students. Check out guys here. Is it clear, my voice? Harish. Harish, check out your side. Remaining people, Chandra Kiran, Chandu. Okay. Jyoti, Karthik. Is it clear, my voice? Pawan Kumar, Praveen, Shweta, Soumya. Is it okay, ma? Use your chat box and say yes or no. Not like yesterday. Eco voice, sir? Anybody is getting eco voice? Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, wait, our technical people will come 1 second. Sound check, sorry. How do I'll check out, guys. Now check out online students. Check now. Now is it clear? Soumya, is it clear? Pankaj, is it okay, my audio? All of you guys, all of you just give some response. All of you, not one or two members. All of you just say yes or no. The voice is clear or not? Okay. So can we start now? 1 second. 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 1 How many people? Right, right. Okay, right, guys. And today in this session, we're coming back to like I said yesterday actually we started, but yesterday I didn't explain anything, just so the normal things talking is happened yesterday. Okay. And today, first of all, we will discuss about our course content. So what we are going to learning in this course, what kind of topics we need to cover. Okay, no? So first I will give complete course content here, and later on I will give duration, the time period, yes or no. Then we started our classes. Okay, right. And along with this here, okay. So now you can see, we will go for here. So what is the course content here? Just observe first of all. Right. This is what I call course content. The topics here we can. So Harish, I think everyone is okay here except you. Check once your side any problem is reconnect otherwise. Harish, reconnect once. Yeah, yeah. Now, come back to this is course content. And majorly in this course, two languages we are going to be, what we can say, learning. One is the major language of relational database SQL and advanced language of or extension language of SQL is called a PLSQL. So these are the two major languages we are learning under this course. Okay, and this course, if you see so many students nowadays, everyone going to be they're going to be thinking and they have their thoughts in the boundary only there. So that's why in IT industry, actually not only one particular Java, one particular .NET, one particular Python is not there. Okay, so many other courses also be there. Okay, so many other platforms also there. So many other opportunities also be there. Okay, no? That's why it's simple only. Okay, everyone choosing Java. Okay, maybe they're thinking like this. Java already I have some idea in their academics. Yes or no? So that kind of and that way, so many people selected Java courses and other courses. But my intention is what now? See, what you're learning in your academics, what you're coming to learning here, completely different. Maybe there the people will show you just normal programs, one example. Okay, they left out. But so many students thinking that what oh Java means this is only enough, I can easily manage. Maybe that way the people are coming outside and joining into courses. But once you join in a Java course, okay, now, there what it was happening in your economics, so you have only Java programming language. That's called a core Java. Just Java programming only you're learning. But they have so many things are there. When you're coming to here in the institution, you understand that, oh, not only Java, we need to learn the advanced Java, JDBC, servlets, Hibernate, Spring Boot. So these many things are required to become a one Java developer. Yes or no? So the way you thought in your colleges, the way you see in coming to institutions, completely different scenarios. Okay. No? So maybe this will be making some confusion to you, and this will be so many students degrading themselves. That means they are underestimating themselves. Okay. Oh my God, I can't do Oracle. Oh, I sorry, I can't do Java. Java very big ocean. Oh, these many things I need to handle on. These many courses I need to learn. Okay. So now reality you can understand when you're coming to here. So that's what my suggestion is for now. Suppose whenever you feel like this, they have to, you need to search some any other alternatives. So my suggestion, as per my 15 plus of experience, I will give one suggestion to my students, which will be definitely you all are learning the 6 months, what you are going to learning the 6 months course, full stack or any full stack or any platform. Okay, one suggestion I will give it. Maybe this suggestion, if it will be good for you, and you are also thinking like me, yes, SaaS said good. This is one type of alternative chance. Why not? We can't try. Okay, now let's go try. Let's try it. What happening? Okay, so you will be get or you will be feel like this. Okay, now what is that? This is one best idea for newcomers and who are feeling like this. Java is very tough to me. Who are feeling like this, coding I can't handle. Yes or no? So this kind of some people, some students are having coding. When they see the code, they will be fear. Oh my God, this much code, this much logic I want to write. So that kind of fearness will come. So that's why so many people dropping. I can't understand coding, sir. I can't go for logic, sir. My okay, I'm not able to get. So this kind of some confusion, sir. That's one best suggestion what I'm going to say here. For example, just assume like this. In this, how many Java students are there? Raise hand. Offline. Okay, you're Java students. Remaining people,
Java.
Java. You? All of you Java, na? Java course, who selected Java course? You're all of Java students now. Java course selected, full stack Java. Okay, good. So that means all of you Java students. There is no any database person. You're database. Okay. I will tell you about you also. Okay. So now we can see. So you're a Java full stack developer. Don't write anything, just oral I will give it. Okay, no? I will just oral things. Okay, you are a developer. Java full stack developer position. What you are learning courses? We are learning first. Okay, HTML. Okay, HTML, CSS. Yes or no? CSS, like your JavaScript, and in future you are learning React.js also. No? Yes or no? React. So this kind of things you have it and you are learning in your full stack. I think so. Yeah. So okay, these are some courses you are learning. Your full stack course, how many months they said? 6 months. Okay, but if 6 months not happening, it will take up to 8 months. If you perfectly plan 6 to 7 months, okay, it will be finished. Perfectly planned. If planning was missing, maybe your courses will go 1 year also. Okay, no? That's what properly, time saving purpose, properly plan it. If very strictly, if you plan, then even you have completed 6 to 8 months between. Exactly 6 months is not happening, maybe 6 to 8 months between you will be. So that means first thing is what now? You are a freshers. 6 to 8 months, don't think anything. Your mind and everything should be on your courses on. Don't hurry worry. Okay, no? Don't hurry worry. Don't think any alternatives. Nothing, don't think. Just a 6 to 8 months, completely sacrifice or spend on subjects. What you choose. Okay, no? Right. So first HTML. Okay, some etc. Then you are learning what now? Core Java. Okay, some advanced Java, JDBC. Okay, now. Some you are learning Spring or Spring Boot, yes or no? So, like you are going to be learning these courses also. Next, in your package, you are learning Oracle database also. So these are the major things actually. Okay, and this is what we call as here. This is completely your printed. Okay, this is called as a simply I can say printed. Okay, right. And this is Java, whatever you're learning, this is called as a server. Okay, server side you're learning. And server side programs, etc. you're learning. This is called as the database. So these are full stack developer required things. Full stack developer required things. So that is definitely at any point of time, you need to cover these all the things. Yes or no? Compulsory. There is no escaping. There is no chance. Otherwise, I want to take an alternative choice. Nothing. When your position is full stack Java developer, compulsory these are fulfilled. Then only you will become a good programmer in IT industry. Got it? Huh? That is what important thing. Okay. Now, so the 6 to 8 months, stop. Okay. The 6 to 8 months, you are very hardworking, spending time practicing, discussing subject. This is your scenario. Day-to-day life is what now? This is. So whenever you are spending 6 to 8 months, UI, server, data, these three technologies, when you are perfectly learning in 6 to 8 months of your course, your full stack Java course, okay now? Then think about why you are applying Java purpose only, why you are checking Java job only. Okay, here my suggestion is what now? When you are completed these things as per your schedule, there are three resumes. How many resumes? Three resumes. One resume prepared on UI. One resume prepared on Java. One resume prepared on Oracle. Okay, Oracle. What is this? As I can say, $8. $8. Yes. Okay. So now the three resumes are prepared. See, advantage on it. Three resumes prepared. Okay. Because are you learning these three courses, these three technologies are you learning? So better to prepare three resumes. Three resumes upload in the websites. Okay, now whatever the job portals are there. In those job portals, you need to upload. Every resume upload gap is 15 minutes. In 15 days gap, the three resumes are. That means, are you searching how many opportunities? Three opportunities. First one, UI developer, excellent career, superb career, good packages, very demanding positions nowadays. UI. Java, I don't want to say database. Database is also be having good positions, good packages in real time. So when three courses are you learning full-fledged in 6 to 8 months, then why not these three courses I want to use for my career? Why you people always be thinking Java, 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 and you are learning two more other courses now in your full stack. So that means you have two more other alternative options. Okay, so that means there are three opportunities. Once you enter into the full stack Java courses, you're not for one searching job. You're searching three opportunities. That means three availabilities are there in front of you. But this technique, so many students doesn't know. Okay, because are you spending 6 to 8 months? Okay, these three things, perfectly you're learning. You're learning HTML, JavaScript, CSS, React.js, all classes you're attending, all courses you can do, server, all, Java also completely learning, database also completely learning in the 6 to 8 months. Okay, then why not three resumes? Why not I want to search for three positions? Okay, think because nowadays everything is a multiple choices. Okay, now one is not affected immediately. You have to see second career. The sir, option should be important, alternative. So now my idea is what now, especially Java full stack students. This idea only for those guys who are expected only the job is software engineer position. Sir, I don't have any kind of specific position, specific target is not there. Okay, so many students are thinking, what now? I want it one software position in IT industry. Yes or no? So I don't have any specification. I want to settle as a Java programmer, settle in UI programmer, settle as a database programmer. That kind of specification I don't have it, sir, myself, but my target is what now? I should work as a software engineer in any repetitive IT industry. That is my only target. When these kind of mentality people, I'm telling you about, okay, now your target is what now? Software position. The position I'm working at back end or front end is none of the matter. But I wanted one software engineer position in a real time. Okay. So who are having like this, who are thinking like this, their career, they want to settle in any IT position. So that kind of people purpose, this is one of the best choice to you. Got it my point now? Then 2, 3 resumes forwarded. 3 resumes, 3 technologies already you learned in the 6 to 8 months. So now what happened? Suppose you get a call in UI, attend UI calls, attend Java call, attend a database call also when it was comes. Suppose in these three, suppose you selected Java, happily join into Java. Suppose Java interview failed, then why are you degrading yourself? Why are you confident losing Java only life? No, no. So many other alternative choices are. Suppose Java interview failed. You selected in UI. Java interview failed, but UI interview success. The company is offered as a fresher 3.5 lakhs. Okay, then why you not choose this? Happily join now. Huh? Yes, sir. So suppose this is also failed. Next, you selected in this database. Database also you selected in a good repetitive company. And they are offering 2.8 or 3.0 lakhs package. Happy join. Okay. So that means here, what I'm telling here, in these three options, you will get 3 calls from the companies. And wherever your skills are okay, suitable, and you feel like this, oh, I'm very good at database side, I'm very good at UI side, I'm very good at Java side, because all subjects are maybe not possible, but any one subject you are having good skills. For example, in our college school days, some students are mathematics highly toppers. Only mathematics subject he was very interested compared to remaining subjects. In mathematics, the person, student is getting 100 out of 100 they got. But remaining science, social, 60, 70 get. That means what now? The student is very interested in this subject? Maths. And somebody said, hey, my favorite subject is maths. So that means we have 6 subjects in 10th class or 5 subjects in 10th class. But one subject is called a favorite subject. Yes or no? Every student life, one favorite subject is there. Yes sir? Yes. Same here also. Maybe you are not good at Java, but you are very good at the database side. Then database side focus. Get a job opportunity from database. Forward database resumes. Call second and get a job. Suppose you are not good at the database. You are very good at the UI. You feel like this, sir, UI is my favorite subject, sir. Then you feel your favorite subject is UI, then focus on that, strongly focus on that, and forward the resumes, attend the interviews. Suppose, no, sir, I'm very favored to Java, then go to Java. That means what I'm telling you, 3 technologies, definitely while you are learning process, one technology you will get a attract. One technology you feel like this easiness. You feel, oh, this is, I'm easily understand. I'm easily doing. So that kind of some, okay, what we can say, the kind of things you will be understanding while learning in the 6 to 8 months of process. Suppose you feel, sir, in this three, I can handle means happy. No, nothing problem. As of now. So this is what I'm saying here. If any software engineer position I wanted, there's no specific position, any software engineer position out of these three, then prepare the three resumes. No, sir, some students are there. No, sir, my position only Java. I decided already. I decided. I don't wanted any software engineer position. I wanted exactly Java position. Then what happened? These three resumes are not required. Prepare only one resume. But that is very strongly tried. Okay now? So that means when you are learning a full stack Java course, how many opportunities in front of you? Three opportunities. This is a good idea as per my experience. I'm telling, if any student, because all students are not good at Java, I know. All students are not good at the UI, I know. All students, maybe so some students are very easy for database. So where it is you feel easiness, there you have to try sincere and honest. Definitely will succeed. For simple example, now I have a 15 years of experience. I'm saying I'm an SQL developer. What is the problem to me? Nothing problem. There's 15 years plus. I'm working as SQL developer. Okay, happily my life is leading. Okay, so what is a here also database position also we are getting 2 lakhs monthly salaries, 3 lakhs monthly salaries per month we are getting. Then what is the problem for database? Like this, so many people are there in real time. Only Oracle developers, SQL developer, they're getting monthly salary 1 lakh, 1,50,000, 2 lakhs rupees. Their experience, 9 years, 10 years of experience, they're reaching that kind of packages. Okay, you people thinking that Oracle database are low salaries, sir. Who said low salaries? Who said low salaries? Okay, in Hyderabad city, only database employees, so 1 lakh plus salary monthly. Okay, lakhs of people are there in Hyderabad. They're working only database, right? Their package monthly 1 lakh plus. That kind of super opportunities are there outside. Okay, so that's why don't think like that. Okay, salary, low salary, high salary. See, IT industries are nothing having low and high salaries. Okay, first point remember, there is no technology is having high salary, there is no technology having low salary. It's a depending on your performance. Understand that salaries are incremented, salaries are offering by companies, not in the demand of this. It will check your skills, your interview performance, your skill. You after joining into my company, your performance. Based on your performance only, your package is what? Increases. This is not a government job. Once I enter into government job, if your performance good or bad, automatically salary incremented. That is a government sector. But this is IT sector. IT sector, our salaries, we should increment ourselves. How to do? Show your performance. Understand? Now? So all Java developers are not getting 1 lakh salary. Okay, na? Like that, all database people are not having 50,000 salary. As per their performance wise, they're showing their talent, their skills, and they are go up. Okay, na? So that's what I'm telling you. That's why nowadays, don't think that your package low, your package high. Nothing is there. Nowadays, everything is depending on your performances. Based on performance only, your packages are decided and your packages are grow up. Other than performance, you'll never get. That's why you can see some people, they're working in IT industry 6, 7 years, but their package is very low. 6, 7 years experience candidate also getting monthly 91 lakhs rupees. Why, sir? Because he doesn't have good skills, maybe. His performance is not up to the mark in industry. That's why the grow up and increments are not giving by company. Some people very shortly coming. Within 3 years, their package is 12x. But this guy is 7 years working, still 10 lakh. This guy just came, 3 years experience, he got a 12, 13 lakhs package. What is the reason? What is the reason? Who is the experienced candidate? This candidate. This candidate experience how much? 8 years. This candidate experience how much? 3 years. But his package how much? 12 lakhs. His package how much? 10 lakhs. Why this variation? Skills. So don't think you are a senior or junior. Nothing is there in IT. IT is only performance-based jobs. Okay. In Telugu, one movie. What is the movie in Telugu? Pokriలో ఉన్నాడు డైలాగ్. ఎప్పుడు వచ్చామని కాదన్నయ్య బుల్లెట్ దిగిందా లేదా? In Telugu, one saying one word is that. That's good logic actually. When you came, nothing mattered. Bullet is okay or not. So that is what is a dialogue. So nowadays, senior, junior, nothing. So your performance based will be wrong in IT industry. Understand? Huh? When you came, when I came here, when I came into this industry, nothing. Whatever it may be, my talent is my talent. My talent basis, I can get my salary. Okay, now? So this is one good idea for you. And if you anybody, you will be decide after my explanation. You think yourself. If you go to home and to sit calmly, think yourself. In this, you have a 6 to 8 months of traveling is there. In 6 to 8 months of traveling, you can understand it. Which subject is easy, which subject is tough to me. So you will automatically understand it. Based on the 6 to 8 months of traveling in this process, definitely within 2-3 months after you can understand. After 2 to 3 months after, you can understand that IT courses, how it will be. Based on that, good decision take it. Okay, now? Then you have to follow. That is one thing I must. And coming back to database side. Suppose you are not in Java, you're completely, sir, my career, I need to plan for database side. So database side also, nowadays so many opportunities are there. Maybe the people as a freshers, maybe you don't know. Okay, now so many. See, one thing I have to say. In database, especially my course also, this course I'm not teaching for Java student, I'm not teaching for Python student, not like this. This is Oracle full-fledged course. Okay, now in this course, we will be covered all the topics. One person, when he was going to be database interview, otherwise SQL developer position in a company, what kind of the requirements, prerequisites, concepts, knowledge, okay, what you required, that required things we are learning in this course. That's why Oracle is not a partially half of the course. It is a full-fledged course we are teaching. That's why you see your notice board, Oracle, SQL, and PLSQL. So that's called SQL and PLSQL who completed. Then that person successfully completed Oracle full-fledged course. Somebody learning SQL, somebody missing PLSQL. That guy was not fulfilled. Fulfill means PLS will also be complete. So now, suppose you are going to be database side. Database side, the positions are there SQL developers. It is a one best position. And one more position also there, that is called PLSQL programmers. Okay, now these are the two positions you will be trying with only Oracle course. With only Oracle course, you have two positions in IT. SQL developers we will be eligible and PLSQL programmers. Okay, and these positions nowadays as a fresher and experienced both wise, few companies, every financial economic, these companies are compulsory taking. What is that? In the TCS. TCS every academic year, every financial economic year, they will hiring SQL developers and also PLSQL developers. If this is right or wrong, you can go to Google search TCS, www.tcs.com, you can go, career option, you can go, check it out. How many SQL developers, PLSQL positions are they are hiring? Mobile stop. Wait, stop. Checking means not here. After going to home, checking, that is the main. Now, next essential. Essential also, every financial academic, they will be hiring. Okay, na? So SQL and PLS. So you can check the essential website. You will understand it. Next, one more company from the multinational company. What is that? Infosys. Infosys also, every financial academic year, they will hiring SQL and PLS. So these are the multinational MNCs, multinational companies in India. These three multinational companies are definitely in their every financial academic, definitely they hire SPL and PLS, either experience or fresher. You can check the records are there. You can records check it out. TCS, Essential, Infosys records, you can check it out. You can understand. So these are multinational, I'm saying. Next, so many nowadays, so many startup companies, level 1, level 2, level 3 companies. So many companies are there. So many companies are hiring SQL developers. Okay, so it is not only that, and I'm saying there are so many startup companies also be hiring. Okay, okay, some middle-level scale companies also hiring. Okay, the middle-level scale companies also hiring SQL developers. This is not I'm telling, you can check outside also. So this is database long. Next, suppose your database career, you need to make a long career in IT industry as a database scientist. That means I want to, sir, I need almost 50 years. I don't want to get any problem in database side. My career should be go up to 15 plus of years without any disturbance. I have to extend my life in databases. Then one more option is there. That option I'm telling now, Power BI. Power BI plus SQL knowledge. This combination, your career will be very long career. You can get into so much packages, If you keep some experience, starting only 12 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 12 lakhs packages are provided by company with the Power BI plus SQL combination. This is highly packages, good career builders. Next one more thing is that nowadays it was very good in the AWS and the SQL. This is also very good combination who are thinking I want to settle as a database career. So this is also one best career for your database, right? This combination also be excellent extension of your career. Okay, so if you want to extend your career long time, you can additionally some additional tools are learned. Now you have one more thing is there here. That is called Azure Data Factory plus SQL. This is also one more option from the Microsoft company. So this is also one more option, having good career option for database side who want to settle. So maybe this information I'm just giving to that, maybe in your friend circle, any family members are having, you have to give these suggestions to your friends and family members. Okay, if you're not for you, at least you can give this suggestion to your friends. Okay, somewhat you need to help to them. So some people see 2 years gap students are there in your family member. From last 2 years they're searching job but they're not getting. Okay, that kind of people, if anybody is there, suggest them. Hey, this is a good course, you can easily move in into IT industry. So these are the top 4 priorities I'm giving on a database. First one, either SQL or PLSQL position. Second option, Power BI plus Oracle SQL, AW plus Oracle SQL, ADF plus SQL. Okay, na? So in this common thing is what? SQL. SQL is the common. That's why yesterday I said to you, once in a life, if you are coming to IT sector, once in a life, at least PLSQL, okay, leave it. But at least SQL language completely, if you full-fledged courses completed, that will be very help you in IT industry. Okay, now this is and later one more option I will get. Nowadays, this is also nowadays very popular in outside market. That is called a data analyst. Data analyst. Data analyst plus SQL. This position also very, very good. That's called data analyst, data mining, or business analyst people who are working like that. Those people also be required SQL knowledge. This is another position very good in market, especially coming to database career. I'm telling you. So these many options, alternative choices are there to settle as a database programmer in IT industry. Okay, just now one student, before coming to your class, one student selected database programmer in Oracle company. Okay, na? But how he selected means not directly, he selected from third party. That means first 3 months assessment. Okay, after 3 months, he will become an Oracle employee. Okay, just now, 10 minutes before, my old student came to me, so I got an opportunity on database Oracle. I said, very good. Okay, 3 months, show your talent, do your hard work, then you will be qualified to Oracle employee. And once you qualify to Oracle employees, you are directly ID card coming from Oracle. And thus you are the Oracle person, not the third party person. Okay, so this kind of opportunities outside market so many are there. That's what I'm telling guys. Gather information from your seniors, okay, from your elders, okay, who are working in IT industry. So gather this kind of information. So many opportunities are there in IT sectors. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you. If you have a good knowledge of HTML, okay, if you have HTML and CSS, you have and JavaScript, suppose you have these things. If you want to get good career in this, then later you can go for ServiceNow tool. If anybody listen this tool, huh? Listen, huh? So suppose assume, sir, have very good knowledge CSS, HTML, JavaScript. If you have good knowledge, leave it Java. Leave it Java. Go to ServiceNow tool. Learn it. I will get market. ServiceNow tool plus HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These two combination, Accenture will take every year on this tool. ServiceNow developers we call. Excellent career this is also. 9, 10, 12 lakhs packages are. In this, what you will do, you're writing script what now? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's it. No Java program, nothing. Only script language you are developing. Okay, now ServiceNow tool is also very famous nowadays in IT industry. Okay, now so this is called as one. Now so many companies are using internal tools. That internal tools, as a freshers, you didn't understand. Every company is having their own internal tools. So the internal tools knowledge, if you have it, immediately you're getting your job. That's why you interact your brothers, IT industry brothers, whether in your company internal tools are what, ask them. They're saying that my internal tool, this is my internal, opportunities are there. Learn that course, learn. So like this, ServiceNow is also one of the best career for you who are, because why I'm telling this ServiceNow tool only, sir, means because you're learning what? HTML, JavaScript, CSS, automatically you're learning in this course. So with the relevant courses, what now? Suppose you're learning ServiceNow course now. This is also 45 days course. Learning now. First over, completed. You can directly apply job. Perfect. Okay. So this is what we call. Yeah, right. Okay. So like there's so many internal tools also having in the market. And those internal tools are everyone doesn't know it maybe, but few people will know who are working in IT industry, who are having IT knowledge, they will explain to you. Okay. So this is database career, front-end career, Java career. So these are opportunities out there. Okay. Now, but anything as your interest, if I'm telling means, sir, don't come to Sudhakar sir telling all are coming to Oracle database. No. That is not I'm telling that. I'm telling that how many opportunities are there in front of you, how many options are there in front of you. Okay, na? So these are the some information I giving to you. So some information I am giving to you. So in this information, sir is giving these ideas: Java idea, database idea, front-end idea. So now where you have it, easiness. How you know in this traveling, in the 6 to 8 months traveling, you can understand it. Later, good decision, take it. Once not, other one you can choose. Okay, so this is one information I'm explaining to you. And database side also, if anybody trying whatever I explained that on this focus on, very good career you will be having. Okay, no? So this is, but see, one thing you observe, you can go UI, you require a supporting what now? SQL. You can go Java, you require support of what now? SQL. You can go database means okay, itself it is a SQL. So SQL is a common now. Yes or no? You are going front end side, back end side, server side, anywhere you can go. SQL is a common point now. That's why yesterday I said to you, SQL is a common subject for every platform of people in IT field. Most of the tools are based on SQL only working, but these things are you people doesn't know. Okay, who knows the value of this SQL important and not important? Who knows in real time? Working people knows that SQL how much key roles are playing in our role. Understand now? That's why I'm saying that we interact with your IT industry people, communicate with your IT sector people who are working in IT industry. From them, you will be get this kind of awareness. Okay, right. So now this is about career options. Today I was explaining to you in these three career options. Any career option you can select. It will be good career for you. And don't disappointed that sir, Java every time I'm failing interview. Failing interview, leave it that Java. Go to other options. So many are there now. But now I'm telling one thing. Anyone choose it, but there should be first interest. Okay, na? Ambition, target, sincerity, honesty, hard work. If these things are there, na, then you will be success in anywhere. But if I take database also, I'm not daily practicing. I'm not going to be hard work, doing hard work, nothing. Job will come means outcome. Any technology you choose, you have to do certain procedure follow, certain plans created, do hard work, practice more and more, hours and hours practice your coding skills, logic skills, then only you will be settled either in database, either in Java, either in UI. Without knowledge, anywhere you can't get a position. Okay, the common thing is what now? Knowledge. Compulsory. Either you can go to database developer, Java developer, UI developer. Anywhere you can choose, but what you have to do, hard work and practice. Without this, no position you will get. That is a common statement. Okay, no? Right. So this is what I'm saying. Coming back to my course. Oracle course content. So I said to you, here we are learning two languages. One is called as an SQL and PLSQL. SQL and PLSQL. Okay, no? Right. In this content, okay, I said yesterday, my teaching will be from zero position to advanced positions we will be learning. So zero means what now? Basics. Basics to advanced level. Why are you teaching like this basic to advanced level means I already said to you. Once this course perfectly you learn it, then you can try jobs for on which position? Database SQL developer, PLSQL developer, otherwise Power BI plus SQL developer, AWS plus SQL developer positions, sir, you can easily get it. Understand? Na? That's why this course I'm not teaching for any special person. This is the complete Oracle course. And this course, Java students are learning, any database students are learning, your people also learning. But as per their supporting technology, they will use my SQL or my Oracle SQL language. Yes or no? Because it is a common language for front-end people, server people, back-end. Understand now? So let you know. These are the two languages we are learning in this course SQL. Okay, SQL and PLSQL. And from starting, we are going to be taking BBMS. So BBMS overview, that means how these databases came here. Okay, nowadays we know, sir, what is MongoDB, what is Oracle. So Oracle, MongoDB differences, is there anything is there? What is NoSQL databases, what is SQL databases. So these kind of awareness, knowledge, and what we are learning Oracle is exactly what type of database. Okay, now, is it a networks, relational or object relational, object oriented? okay, or hierarchical model, so which is, so this kind of overview compulsory we need to require, because when you know the what is what, okay, now the basic terms and terminology of databases, then you can easily understand that why we are learning Oracle reasons what, purpose what, where in real time we are using. So real time applications are what it is. So these kind of things we are learning about the database. Then you will be understanding my databases in real time applications. What are those? Okay, no? That kind of some awareness in real time factors I will explain in this. After getting the knowledge of that, then we have started our Oracle 21C version. So C stands for cloud computing here, a cloud-based database here. What is C, what is I, what is G, that in my classes I will explain to you. So my tool is Oracle 21C. So now we are discussing about exactly Oracle. What is Oracle? Oracle is a software. If it is a software, with the software, how we can go to do our operations, how to create a databases, how to design the tables. So these kind of things, server communication, client is server client communication, how it will be doing that, edition, software installations, downloading, everything I will tell you in the right. Okay, now that means in the Oracle, what is Oracle, why Oracle advantages, Oracle versions, Oracle editions. Okay, install downloading of software, installation. So the installation also I will show in my classroom. Don't worry. So installation, how to install my Oracle 21C. Then after installation, what is client components, what is server components, client server communications, how it was going to be happening here, and later we will discuss how to create user accounts, user ID passwords in Oracle servers. Then after connectivity procedures, how to connect into my Oracle server. For connectivity levels, what kind of procedures we need to follow. So completely with Oracle relevant information, sir, we'll discuss. After getting the knowledge of Oracle software, what purpose we are using, this kind of awareness, idea, understand, if you all know it, then we have started what now? SQL main language. Okay, now? So languages, sir, we are using, we are learning for what purpose? Why we are learning languages?
Communication.
To develop logics, to implement logics. Okay, now? So Java programming language, why are you learning? Developing logics purpose. Yes or no? Developing code purpose. So same like that here also, one language is so with the help of this language, communication purpose, we are learning how to write logics in my databases. Okay, that kind of things, sir, we are learning in this language. So this is a language. This is not a database. SQL is a language, not a database. Understand now? Again, this SQL language was classified into two kinds. One is called a basic SQL, that's called a fundamentals, basics. We are learning this. Then after we go for advanced SQL. These are the two things. So basic SQLs, what we are learning, introduction to SQL, what is what, then what are the sub languages of SQL, DDL commands, DML, DQL, DRLs, TCL, DCL. These are the commands we are going to learn. Okay, now? So after getting the good knowledge of these all languages commands, with those commands, okay, we are going to be designing our tables. For table designing purpose, what we require is data types awareness. Data types importance, awareness, use, advantages, how it will be helping us, okay, in our SQL and PLSQL, that kind of awareness. Then after we are writing what now? Operators, fixed operators, without data types, without operator, without function, there is no language. Even C language, C++, Java, .NET, Python. These are learning now. Having or not? Yes, the common concepts here. So data types are the operators. Operators, what purpose we are using? To do some kind of operations, like how to assign values, how to do arithmetic operations, how you comparing, how to write more than one logical conditions. Yes or no? So these kind of things we can go to do, definitely we require operators awareness. Then after functions. Okay, in functions also so many different types of functions we have it. So by using functions, I can know that I can calculate one employee total experience, how much in my company, or how many senior citizens are there in my company, whose age was less than 40 years, whose age was 60 plus years. Yes or no? So in my 2025 first quarter of 2025, how many employees have joined in my company? What is the total expenditures of a particular department? So these kind of like pay slips, employee pay slips, how to create it, how to calibrate it, HRA, DA, PM, gross salary, net salaries, so, so these kind of logics we need to write, then we require operators and functions. Along with that, classes means what now? Each grouping wise. For example, in my college, total strength is 500 people. Out of 500, each branch is having how many number of students? In my classroom, there are 50 members. Out of 50 members, how many female students are there? How many male students are there? So these kind of calculations. For example, XYZ brand is there. In X brand, how many products are there? Y brand, how many products are there? Z brand, how many products are there? Okay, from last Sunday to this Sunday, in this 1 week, how many orders I was taking from customers? My last week order, how many orders I got it, stock. So these kind of programs we are writing with the help of all now classes. So now these basic SQL is very, who are having very strong at basics now, they can easily understand what now advanced here. That's why I'm saying one thing to all of you, basic for any language, you're learning Java or anything now, basics if you have a very strong knowledge now, then advances are very, very easy. But so many students, what they're doing, basics are they neglected. Basics are they neglected. That's why they can't go for advanced concept they didn't understand. Okay, that's why these are the main three concepts in basic learning. Without these three concepts, you can't write any query in database, any logic in database. Yes or no? Without these three. That's why these three focus it. Very, very important. When we build strong knowledge in these three, and with the help of this all query knowledge, then we are going to be advanced SQL. In advanced SQL, what kind of topics we are covering in this course? Completely joins. All types of joins we are going to discuss. Okay, what is inner join, equi-join, non-equi-join, self-join, natural join, recursive join, Cartesian joins, cross joins, so everything. How many joins types are there? All joins we are going to discuss. And joins techniques are one of the major important topic in real-time industries. Even Java student, any database tool purpose person, Power BI student, anybody. So they have to compulsory use what now joins. So that then after integrity rules, constants, like we can how to mapping tables, okay, 1 to 2 tables here, mapping purpose, how to do validations. This is a duplicator, a valida, invalida. Suppose mobile number, how many digits? 10 digits. If I go with 11 digits, what happened? 9 digits have what happened? My password minimum character, 6 characters. 6 character less than if anybody created a password, the password don't accept. Yes or no? So these kind of validations, data validations, we will be okay applying with the help of what now integrity rules. So that kind of class. Later sub-queries like the top 3 highest salary, who will got it in my company, top 2 second highest marks in my classroom, who is a topper in my college, who is a topper in my classroom. So these kind of things. So that kind of things are top 3 highest people, top 2 highest people, like we can go to find out so many. These are some examples I'm telling that, but so many examples we are discussing under this topic. Then after security topics, we said databases, why nowadays everyone, every business organization people, why they are using databases means, so one of the reason is what now? Security. Banking sectors are using databases. E-commerce applications are using, financial applications are using, transports, hospitals management system, educational domains, banking system, anything. Why they're using means the only the one and only one reason what now? Databases are high level security. That how the security will be providing, I will show you practically in my classes. Then after synonyms, then after views, materialized views, sequences, partition tables, logging mechanisms, indexes, clusters, and normalizations. So these are comes under the advanced topics in our advanced SQL. Is all topics we will be covering. Okay. After completion of your SQL, then we are enter into the extension language of SQL is called as what now? PLSQL. So PLSQL stands for Procedural Language Extension of Structured Query Language. So PLSQL, it is also very important for especially Java students when they are going to be developing their projects. At the time PLSQL, some concepts are very important for them. Okay, call by value, call by reference. Are you there in Java? Yes or no? At the time, it will be very difficult. So PLSQL, what is PLSQL? Okay, PLSQL, what purpose the people introducing? What is the differences between SQL and PLSQL languages? Yes or no? So what kind of differences are there? PLSQL architecture, how it is working, how to write a basic programs. PLSQL programming structure is what now. So these kind of fundamentals we are learning in this tool. Then after conditional and looping statements, we are discussing. Conditional statements means what now? If condition, if else conditions, nested if else, multiple if else conditions, like looping statements. What is a looping? While loop, for loop, simple loops, for each loops. So these kind of looping statements, conditional statements are there. So same conditional looping statements we are learning in Java also. Yes or no? If you write a logic. So that is what. Then after basic PLSQL programs, we will discuss here. After that, cursors. What is cursor? Cursor advantage, purpose, how these cursors are using by Java students, database people in their database applications. So that kind of things. Then after we are handling exceptions, how to handle exceptions in my PLSQL programs. If any exceptions are occur in the programs, how we need to handle. Then after very important topics are what now? Stored procedures, to stored functions, packages, triggers, collections. These are the major topics in PLSQL. Okay, if these topics you have a good knowledge now, then you can happily apply PLSQL programmer positions in real time. Okay, now that is called a PLSQL programmer speed form. So these are the PLSQL topics, and finally we can go to UTL file packages. So it will be explaining like this how the data can be sent into file and how the data read from the file. So these kind of things we are going to do in the UTL. Then after, lastly, I will show you one technique is called a dynamic SQL technique. That means a static SQL queries, how to convert it into dynamic SQL queries. And dynamic SQL queries, okay, in real time, especially database people at their working level, working position, that will be very helping them. So this is a one technique. It's not a language, nothing. It's just a technique to convert static SQL query into dynamic SQL. Okay, now? So these are the your course and syllabus in this SQL Oracle, in this Oracle we are learning. Okay, now? Then after that, these are all topics I need to cover. Okay, then my duration is there. Oracle course duration. So we are learning courses 21C version, and my duration 50 to 60 classes. So 50 to 60 classes I require, that means almost 2.5 months. If a month wise calculated, it will take 2.5 months, and the session wise 50 to 60. In between, I will complete the above all topics, whatever I given to you. And this is your timings actually. That is a 2 p.m. batch actually. In your timings, I will go to change it here. Um, Okay, so now in your timings what it will be started 11:15 and ending with the 12:45. Okay, now 12:45 it will be ended and start at 11:15, but this will be happening when your main classes are started. First, I said to you yesterday, these 1 week I will start 11:20. Okay, now because some demos and introductions are happening. Okay, so and also we are expecting if any newcomers will come and join in this batch. So for that purpose, I'm going to start 11:20 for this week. When we started main topics we entered, then my timings will be followed like this. So every day, 1 hour, 30 minutes class, or 1 hour 25 to 30 minutes class will be there every day. Okay, now? So Monday to Friday, classes are going on. Sorry, Monday to Saturday, classes are going on. Only Sundays are no classes. Okay, now? But weekly, 6 days, classes will be there. Okay, and now this class mode is two types, offline and online. So if you're interested online to come online, offline to come offline. So as your choice, you can choose any one mode from this course. And that intimation we can give to administrator. Administrator will give the permissions to you. Okay, no? Right. And notes, here I will send every day after topic is completed, after session is completed. Every regular class notes, okay, I will upload into Google Classroom. And from there you can download. Okay, na? That is Google Classroom. I will give it. Otherwise, especially offline students' purpose, I'm going to give notes in the classroom also. If you want to you have a habit to write a notes, you can write a notes also along with my dictation. Okay, na? Right. So, and classroom notes also I will be upload. Okay, na? The two is up. And doubt sessions, I'm thinking to plan like this for your batch because of yeah, two people are there, online and offline. So maximum I try to maintain like this. One day offline students, doubt sessions for regular batch students. Monday offline, Tuesday online, Wednesday offline, Thursday online, Friday offline, Saturday online. So alternative days your doubt sessions, I will take it. Okay, now suppose today Tuesday, so I will take completely doubts from online students. And tomorrow, okay, I will take completely doubts from offline students. So because if I go to manage like this, then both online and offline students will get happy. Okay, na? There is no miscommunications in between you and me. Okay, na? So as per this alternative days, sir, I will conducting doubt session. In the doubt sessions, you can go to ask me your completed doubts on the subject, whatever you. Okay, na? So this is your doubt session days and the duration and time period. Yesterday, some people are asking, na, this is your duration and time period, and this is completely course content of your project. Is it clear, all of you? Yes. And this is my course details. Okay. After seeing this, no need to write this entire course content. I will upload into Google Class. Okay, now I will upload this complete course content information in a Google Classroom. Maybe Google Classroom will be created within 2-3 days after. Okay, once our batch was conforming you with some strength, then they will be conforming and you will create it in Google Class. Okay, now so this is what you have to we are following in our classes. Okay, na? Right. And next, one more, I have to give some suggestion to you. Suppose you are a fresher. So database student directly coming to database classes, they don't have any confusion. But Java people, especially I'm telling the Java, Python students, okay, na? Or .NET students, anybody, when you are choosing your platform Java, .NET, okay, .NET or Python. So many people without the proper planning, they're learning courses. That's why those students are not understanding course. Finally, they didn't understand anything. That's why don't hurry make like this. Okay now? So now, first initially, suppose you're a fresher. Just you coming to join the course. First, your target, I'm telling now, daily 2 sessions keep it. Okay now? If you have your brain is capable to attend 3 classes means 3. So minimum 2, maximum 3 sessions per day. Maximum 3 sessions per day. Okay, keep it. Suppose you feel, sir, 3 sessions I can't handle my brain. I'm not understanding 3 sessions. 2 sessions are enough. That's the best choice. Avoid 3 sessions per day. 2 sessions compulsory planned per day. Morning 1 class, evening 1 class. Otherwise, your classes are started from morning 7:30. 7 to start. 7 to 9, 1 batch. 9 to 11, 1 batch. 11 to 1 batch. So morning session, 3 batches. Afternoon, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7:30, 7:30 to 9. So total daily 7 batches are going on in Naresh, right? So as per this timings, for your comfort zone, suppose you are a local student, you're a hostel person, you can choose anytime, no problem, because you're nearby. Suppose some students are coming from long distance, okay, like Kukatpalli, like Dilshuk, like somewhere, some high-tech city. If they're coming long distance, now you can plan your 2 sessions plan either morning or afternoon. How to plan? For example, I will tell you. Suppose now 11 to 1 variety session. Keep it this. One more session you have to plan. Which session you have to plan means yes. Initially, you have to join only core Java and the varieties. Other than these 2 courses, don't join any other course. First, starting as a Java student, start with your course, these 2 first of. Some people course started hurry half of the course is completed, then moving into other course. Half of the every mode. So that is a no planning, guys. That is what. So up to completion of core Java Oracle, Okay, now don't think about other course. Don't listen your friends' words. Okay, now you are finally you are not getting anything. Confusing making. So finally, my suggestion, not my every narration faculty counselor suggestion, best suggestion is what now? First, initially start your course with these two courses only. Don't go for that. Even though my cousin brother, my cousin sister are also learning in narration, I am also suggest my own cousin brothers. I joined these two courses only. I joined it. My family members. Okay, ना? So I'm also thinking like that you. Okay, don't वो ये बोला है, ये बोला है, ये ऐसे बोला है. अरे what you ऐसे बोला कैसे बोला? What is your opinion? That is important. Don't depend on the friends. They're telling confusing. So plan like this course or whatever. Okay, now these two sessions start if you have a good capabilities. No, sir, I have good other capabilities also. Three classes I can manage. Then after, as an option, you can go to HTML. Otherwise, don't touch HTML initially. So many students are, without knowing the information, directly joining HTML classes. Blunder mistake you are doing, you know. This is not myself. Everyone's saying like the blunder mistake you are doing. Why are you hurrying? Your 6 to 8 months, all courses are perfectly planning by narration and giving to you. But don't hurry. Oh, HTML join now. HTML join. After 10 days, advanced classes join. What is this? One course fulfill first, then step by two, step four. That's why if you have a capabilities to listen three classes and three classes, practicing time also very important because coming classes is not a big thing. Coming class and spend some time for subject. But that is practicing time also created. That's why initially my suggestion, you need a practicing time, class, subject, everything means best close. Two courses start. First these courses start, guys. This course started. What happening? 2 months after, in 2 to 3 months after, in this, my Oracle completed. Core Java is having 80% is completed. Okay, now then Oracle completed now. Then you can go to in which course is completed. Then next step, second phase. Then start your second phase. What now? HTML and whatever you can CSS, Java. After you are going on. This is also having 2 months course. Okay, now then in this 2 months, this 80% already completed now, 2 to 3 months, remaining balance 20%. 20% will be finished 1 month. So that means a core Java completed. Then core Java, Oracle, and here HTML 1 month experience. You got it. How to design web pages, at least that knowledge. You got it now. Then after join an advanced Java. Advanced Java, okay, join. So advanced Java classes, before going to advanced Java classes, first complete core, Oracle SQL, and HTML. These are the three. Without these three, anyone is not there. Now don't go advanced Java classes. You can't understand. Okay, now be planned like this. I'm telling that. Then only you will get it exactly correct subject is understand. Okay, now so now after that HTML. Then what happened? These two courses are completed. Then present courses, what is going on? HTML and advanced Java is going. HTML 2 months completed. 2 months completed means advanced Java 1 month experience you got it. Then HTML completed, Oracle completed, core Java. These three completed and advanced Java you are on the pursuing. Then join into Spring Boot. This is called a planning structure. Same planning with my family members also I'm giving. Understand? You are not a different from me. How I'm treating my cousins, I'm also treating to you. So that's a plan create. Don't hurry, but Oracle joined. 1 month is over. HTML. What is this? What you understand your subject? See, 6 to 8 months never go anywhere. But be planned. Perfect subject led after board. That's what I'm saying. That start your career, start your classes with the 2 sessions minimum. If you have good capabilities, start 3 sessions. Otherwise, 3 sessions are burden on me. Leave it HTML. First join what now? Core and core. HTML when you join, I'm telling that HTML when you join, within 1 week or 15 days or 1 month maximum. Within 1 month, I'm going to advanced Java classes, then join HTML. So before going to advanced Java, then 10-15 days before start HTML. Then only HTML advanced Java matching. Now HTML you are learning now. After 3 months, you are joining in advanced Java. क्या समझ में आएगा आपको? What you understand in your mind? In 3 months, HTML forgot it. And there your sir is preparing that page. You're thinking like that page. HTML code. I forgot it. This is worst planning I'm telling you. That's why HTML not hurry burry. HTML not hurry burry. HTML when you started, next 15 days I'm going to advanced Java classes. HTML advanced Java classes parallelly learn it. Then it is perfectly understand your subject. Perfectly understand your web pages how to design. What is my point now? So this is I'm not simply I'm telling you my 15 plus experience in this field. I'm telling this planning. Okay, then you can join like this. So remember, advanced Java HTML parallelly join, parallelly go hand. Then only advanced Java concepts are understand. Then after immediately what your next Spring Boot. Spring Boot also easily understand. Huh? So some people say that core Java HTML join. What you do? Nothing waste. You waste of your time. Core Java HTML is waste of time. Nothing is happening to you. Okay, now this is one suggestion I'm giving. Before advanced Java, go to HTML. Otherwise, after these two courses, if any one course is completed, then join HTML. This is hierarchy. Once again, this hierarchy, check it out. Okay, now. So this plan, if you make it now, your subject is perfectly understanding, no confusion, and 6 to 8 months between successfully completed your course. Huh? So don't go, you're half of eating, leaving, they're going half of eating, leaving, they're going half of eating. Half of eating means what you understand finally. Stomach will be gone. What? Bathroom. Huh? All mixing na bathroom. Huh? कुछ नहीं होता है. So that's the planet here. You are not a child, you are a mature guy. So you're all a B.Tech, M.Tech, MC candidates. What sir is telling, what you have to learn, this plan is right or wrong, think yourself and make plan. Don't hurry, my friend is going HTML, I jump to HTML. What is this? Your friend purpose you came up. Huh? Your career purpose you came. Understand? First, core Oracle, start with that first. Okay? Then after, cool, no tension. Tension लेने का कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर. Cool mind. First, sir said this too. Not sir, every sir said this too. So, listen उसके बाद. Elder का बात सुनो. So listen, follow that. Then sir said, in this too, Oracle fastly completed. 2.5 months I will finish it. हो जाओ 3 months लगेगा. So 2 months आ जाएगा. 2 months okay. Oracle end or Oracle within 10 days completed. SAR is announcing next 10 days Oracle completed. Then plan HTML. Then again core Java HTML continue. Then after 1 month core Java finish. Successfully finish in here. All topics without missing any topic. Complete missing. Then what next? Advanced. Advanced Java, before going to advanced Java, you have a knowledge of HTML, 50% or 30-40% knowledge, Oracle knowledge, core Java knowledge. These three combination, advanced Java learning, advanced Java programs are designed. Understand now? Then at HTML advanced Java going on. HTML completed. Finally, what bacha? What do you have finally? Advanced Java is then after join into Spring Boot. Then see how much excellent the concepts are understanding your brain. That is called a step-by-step procedure, guys. Especially I'm telling Java student. Otherwise, Java is an ocean. You can't understand anything. Lot of risk. Okay, that's why our counselors also telling like this only. Telling or not? My counselors, if you go to counselors are there, what they're telling first? First join a core Java plus Oracle. Okay, this is all pre-planning, years of experienced people in the administrative organization. They're making one planning structure. The plan structure, if you go on, then no subject understand it. Okay. Now you're learning HTML. After 3 months, you're joining advanced Java. In this 3 months, HTML gone, subject gone. What you understand? Again, advanced Java not understand. So many students saying that, sir, advanced Java मेरे समझ में नहीं आया. क्या आएगा तेरे को? हाँ, HTML का knowledge चाहिए बहुत. वो कब सीखा तूने? स्टार्टिंग में सीख लिया तूने. और 3-4 months के बाद एडवांस जावा स्टार्ट करो. वो पूरा फॉरगेट हो गया उसका knowledge. So that's why I'm telling you, don't take the bad things. Bad plans are not success. Good plan. Okay, make this plan. Suggest them, your students, your friends and family members who are coming to IT field, especially Java course who are learning. This is a plan hierarchy you just follow. This is as a brother, I'm telling to you, you never lose anything. Okay, na? If you follow as a brother and whatever I'm telling now, see, after you're learning like step by step, now you feel Sudhakar sir said correct planning. I can understand it, what step after what I have to do. Okay, na? And based on that, your resumes also be successfully prepared and forwarded. Okay, now. So one thing I will tell you, don't take tension. Don't take hurry, no, cool mind. What first 2 classes, only 2 classes my focus. Huh? कोई आएगा, कोई बताएगा, ना छोड़ दो सबको. Your focus is 2 classes first, 2 courses first. That cool learning. Don't hurry, don't take tension, don't take enthusiasm, overconfident, over tension. So don't take health खराब हो जाएगी. Understand ना? So cool plan. 8 months or 6 to 8 months, leave it all the things. Tell to your mother and father, 6 to 8 months, don't disturb to me. Leave to me 6 to 8 months because 6 to 8 months my courses are going on. In between courses, I can't try any job. It's impossible. Okay, now? So 6 to 8 months होने के बाद, I will try my job. Inform your mother and fathers. Tell them, no problem. Amma, the dad and ma, don't disturb me in this 6 to 8 months. मेरे को छोड़ दो. 6 to 8 months, leave me. Don't disturb. Don't ask every day for calling interview to when lata. Don't ask me. I'm not trying. After 8 months, I'm trying. Ma. From there onwards, I will update to you. Today, I went to do some interview. This is happening. Tomorrow, I have one more interview. This is happening. You can tell them. Okay, na? So tell them your family members also 6 to 8 months. Don't disturb. Are you clear? Understanding my point now? So these are all think yourself, okay? So you're all well matured guys, I think, okay? So that's what don't miss plans, don't wait. Okay, now? Are you clear now? Yes. So this is today complete course and everything I given here. So tomorrow we will be started. What is the main DBMS overview, sir? We will start. So in this we will discuss what is MongoDB, what is Oracle, what is NoSQL, what is SQL, yes or no. So these kind of something, sir, we discuss in real time databases, sir, in which type of applications we will be using. Okay, with some little bit project means little bit applications, how to develop in our particular area or particular sectors. So what is data? This is all kind of things, sir. We will start from. Okay, now. So that's why be plan, good plan, make step by step plannings. You will be 100% success. Okay, now. So your genuinity, you have to follow it. Okay, now. So don't miscommunicate your subjects. Subjects as the plan prakara, you have to go ahead. Okay, now. Is it clear, all of you? Can we start it tomorrow? We'll start it tomorrow. So tomorrow onwards, our classes will be start. Okay, now? Like this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Currently, I have for full stack Java. So I opted for full stack Java development. Currently, 3 courses are.
If you have that capabilities, सब 3 courses में manage कर दूंगा.
Practice नहीं होगा.
Practice नहीं. तो 3 courses कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपका टाइम होगा करेगा, बट प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी थोड़ा टाइम रखना चाहिए ना. इसलिए मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अब इनिशियली कोर जावा ज्वाइन कर लो, ओरेकल ज्वाइन कर लो, ये दोनों सीख लो फर्स्ट. ओके ना, कंटिन्यू होने दो, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस का भी टाइम मिलेगा. ओके ना, हैव टू डू लाइक दिस. ओके.
Actually, I am from triple E background, so that's why
Yeah, understand that. That's why today what I said, don't take tension, don't take confusion. don't take hurry decisions. Okay, na? So what I planned here now, as it is planned, follow it. In 6 to 8 months, you will get a good plan structure and good position also. Okay, na? You will succeed. No problem. Okay, right.
Then I'm working in like
Okay.
so regarding previous timings, I think going to like my times
12 to
9.
okay.
Is there any problem because that? Come back.
See, actually, this timing was 11
Your,
into
I
12.
mean, I think not your leadership personal game.
My personal is not. Here I'm teaching, and I will go to my center. And weekly once I'm going to my wherever the company is there. There I will go to some as a supporter. I will go there.
So now before that timing is
Yes, but
again that I think suggestion will be not really so later. Only SQL and such I'm working here based with SQL.
AWS, huh?
You can SQL with Snowflake. But key components is the SQL.
But we, what I'm telling you, personal things are not there here. Personal, I'm not teaching. Just they are coming here before timings. Actually, 9 o'clock is there, but that was old batch. Almost SQL ended. Then now they are entering into PL school after 1 week. And that is 9 and 11 yours, and 2 was there, but 2 is not good for them. Only 9, yeah, 9 and 11 present is going on. My batches especially. No. Notes, everything will be uploading into Google Class.
Okay.
Maybe Google Class will be created within 2 or 3 days after.
Okay.
I will inform to you. Once they created our management people, I will inform to the class. Okay. Then you have to take that to Google Class. And daily class notes will be uploading into that. Okay. Right.
Actually, we took core Java, so it's been 1 month. So now we are planning to take Oracle and HTML. So only Java
okay.
and Oracle is fine, or after completing?
No. Now, core Java, how much you completed?
1 month completed. Still
1 month,
2 months is there.
Still 2 months is there, but
Only basic completed.
Yeah.
Fundamentals.
Understand. But only that is what I'm saying, that now we are taking HTML also means 3 classes.
Yeah, that's what.
Did you manage or not?
Yeah, that's what we came here to ask.
That's what I'm telling that. Just leave it. Now Oracle.
Like at what time we should take HTML? Like now we'll be starting Oracle.
Your core Java at what time?
9.
9.
9 to 11.
Yeah.
Who's your faculty?
Hare Krishna.
Very good.